help a lot. Fold a napkin, stir the pot. Pick up toys and sweep the floor. Helping makes us love much more. Tiny feet can walk with care. Put our shoes back in the pair. Hang our bag and zip it tight. Doing things just feels so right. Helping friends with smiles so wide. Holding hands and standing side by side. Big or small, we all can try to lend a hand and reach the sky.